S3, this is our next media analysis lesson where we are going to go back to looking at audience again to prepare us for everything that we're going to have to say about a trailer. So just as a reminder, when we first looked at this task, we looked at audience and purpose of posters, and then we went on to colour and images, persuasive languages, and group discussion techniques. Then we started looking at camera shots and angles and soundtrack and sound effects last week. Going on to audience and purpose today, and then on your next lesson, we'll look at the main sort of terminology that we use when we talk about sort of film media, and also start thinking about what group discussion team you're going to be in. So you'll be given a form to fill out in order to do that, but that will be in the following lesson. Hopefully you should find today's lesson fairly straightforward, and please let me know if you want any extra work to do to keep you busy, okay? We're going to start then with just a couple of slides on a sound refresher. So I want you to think about what is diegetic sounds and write that into the first box, and then what is non-diegetic sound and put it into the second box. This should only take you 5 minutes, so pause the video, do that now. This task might take you about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how long you spend on it basically. And what I would like you to do, if you can, is find me a trailer or a clip that has uplifting music. So think about what uplifting means and find me some uplifting music. So go find me a trailer, pause the video, do that now. Let's move on then to thinking about audience and purpose. And remember, there should be a Word document attached to your assignment with all the clips you need for today's task. Now, just as a reminder then, when you identify a purpose, you're thinking about selling a product, selling a service, promoting an event, raising awareness of something, or informing the public. Now, the good thing about being told that you're being given film posters and film trailers is you already know that the purpose is going to be to promote a film. So you don't really need to worry so much about purpose. But target audience is a bit different. So again, think about who the poster or trailer is aimed at. So think again about gender. Generally think of it in terms of stereotypes, okay? So typically male or female, but not always, okay? Age group, sometimes race and ethnicity, different roles that people have, interests and hobbies, and social class, or maybe something they do. Now, whenever you're talking about the target audience, you have to give reasons based on what you see in front of you. So please remember that if you are watching a trailer and you've already seen the film, you know what it's about, you still can only base your reason on what is in the trailer, okay? So, your main task for today then, you're going to be given 5 trailer clips and there's a slide for each answer, and I want you to give the audience, because you know what the purpose is already, so the audience and a reason, and make it your reason as detailed as possible and based on the clip. Okay, so you'll get slides like this that you need to complete, and this task will probably take you all in all about 25 minutes because obviously you've got to factor in the time to watch the clips as well. Okay, so 25, maybe 30 minutes. So what have we covered then? Well, we've had a sound refresher, and then we've looked at audience and purpose, and then next week we are going to look at the 3 S's and the 3 C's, and that's all to do with our film language and terminology. Bye for now.